This 2025 Airstream Trade Wind 25FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 26 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, water heater, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, TV antenna, TV, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Airstream Trade Wind 25FB is 6,300 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.